The alternate page with proper canonical tag issue in Google Search Console means Google has identified duplicate or similar pages on your Blogger site and is indexing only one as specified by the canonical tag. While this isn't a critical error, here's how you can address it to ensure proper indexing. Understand the issue. A canonical tag tells search engines which versions of a page is the primary one to index. For Blogger, this usually happens due to duplicate URLs. Verify Blogger settings. Go to Settings, Publishing in your Blogger dashboard. Ensure HTTPS availability and HTTPS redirect are enabled to avoid duplicate HTTP and HTTPS pages. Use the preferred version of your domain consistently. Check canonical tags. In Settings, Colors and Indexing, ensure custom robots header tags are enabled. Blogger automatically adds canonical tags to posts, but you can inspect them using View Source to ensure the correct URL is canonicalized. Exclude unwanted URLs. In customrobots.txt, disallow parameters like the following to prevent duplicates. Validate in Google Search Console. Use the URL inspection tool to confirm the canonical URL is indexed and request reindexing.